You will definitely be left jaw-dropped seeing their grand arrival, time spent so far, and the great family lore shared amongst these ones as they all celebrate the head of the family, Femi Otedola, in a totally grand style on his 60th birthday. We've brought you a collation of their time spent together, from the food eating to games played, clothes worn, and many more. Do have fun watching these guys. The Nigerian energy magnate Femi Otedola is celebrating his 60th birthday aboard the private luxury motor yacht Christina O. Christina O is the 59th largest yacht in the world as of 2022. The weekly rental cost of the yacht, which belonged to billionaire Greek shipping magnate Aristotle Onassis, who amassed the world's largest privately owned shipping fleet, is $609,000. Mr. Otedola rented the yacht for 3 weeks. Going by the average rate of Charter Index, a luxury yacht rental site, the billionaire must have splurged $1.8 million, which is over 801 million naira for his 3 weeks voyage. The yacht will sail for 3 weeks around the Mediterranean Sea with 37 crew members. The billionaire industrialist was filmed boarding the yacht in a luxury van with his luggage. Mr. Femi, welcome back. He was greeted by one of the crew members, indicating that he had been on the yacht before. He then exchanged pleasantries with the crew individually. Mr. Otedola is joined on the cruise by his family and his soon-to-be son-in-law Oluwatosin Ajibade, aka Mr. Easy. In another clip, Mr. Otedola, who turns 60 on the 4th of November, lounged in the Onassis suite. Aside from other luxury amenities, the yacht also has a bed with Otedola's initials, FO, inscribed. He joins the elite list of celebrities and sober-sides who have enjoyed a cruise on Christina O. In a statement, Mr. Otedola said the Greek shipping magnate who owned the super yacht has been his role model since he was 13 years old, which is 47 years ago. He said, "As I mark my 60th birthday in the coming days, I am grateful to God for the continuous blessing and the wisdom He has continued to bestow upon me. The days leading up to this milestone have been marked by deep reflection, and I'm looking forward to sailing the Christina O with my family for the next 3 weeks." Apart from the Onassis' mistress Maria Callas and his wife Kennedy, other celebrities who boarded the yacht include Richard Burton, Clementine Churchill, Diana Churchill, and Winston Churchill. Others are John F. Kennedy, Reynald III, Prince of Monaco, Grace Kelly, Anthony Montague Brown, J. Paul Getty, Frank Sinatra, Elizabeth Taylor, and John Wayne. A native of Epe local government in Lagos, Mr. Otedola was born in Ibadan, Oyo State in 1962. He is the son of a former governor of Lagos State, the late Michael Otedola, and Lady Doja, a well-established businesswoman. Before going into business, he worked as a marketing personnel in his family's printing company. He is the founder of Ford Oil and Xenon Petroleum and Gas Limited. The billionaire owns other businesses such as shipping, real estate, and finance. He recently ventured into the energy business when he founded Gerego Power PLC. In October, the company was admitted into the main board of the Nigerian Exchange Limited (NGX), making it the first energy company in Nigeria to be listed. Otedola is married to Nana Otedola and they have 3 children, Tammy, DJ Kopi, and Fewa. His eldest daughter, Tolani Otedola, is the product of an earlier relationship before he got married. Christina O is a private motor yacht that once belonged to billionaire Greek ship owner Aristotle Onassis. Like I said earlier, she is the 59th largest yacht worldwide as of 2022, measuring 99.13 meters long. The boat initially served as a Canadian anti-submarine river-class frigate called HMCS Stormont, launched in 1943. HMCS Stormont served as a convoy escort during the Battle of the Atlantic and was present at the Normandy landings. Onassis purchased the Stormont after the end of World War II, as it was one of the many surplus naval vessels, purchasing the ship at a scrap value of $34,000. Onassis then spent an additional $4 million to convert the vessel into a luxurious super yacht named after his daughter, Christina. The yacht features large, ornate interiors and elaborate luxuries, such as a mosaic swimming pool that, once drained, can be raised to deck level to become a dance floor. Architect Cesar Pinao remodeled the yacht, and the children's dining room was designed and painted by the illustrator Ludwig Melmans. Christina O has a main suite, 18 passenger staterooms, and numerous indoor and outdoor living areas, all connected by a spiral staircase. In 1956, the wedding of Reina III, Prince of Monaco, and Grace Kelly held its reception on Christina O. And that is the same place where Femi Otedola and his beautiful family will be holding or having his massive, amazing, and grand style birthday party. This is so beautiful and amazing. I know you all love this video, and if you know you do want to subscribe to our channel if you're new to the space, and turn on the notification bell for added advantage, because a whole lot more beautiful explosives will be dropped in here by your favorite infotainment hub, Net Explosives. Infotainment remains the culture till ever, and Net Explosives to the world.
I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You were not as tough, though.
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You were not as tough
I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that, oh.
not as tough, though.
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were have-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were have-nots, who are not as tough as me. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm on